Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the Reminders app and picking a list that matches this task. Tap the new Reminder button and type a clear title, add short notes, or a URL to capture context. Next, set a date and time so it alerts when you need it, or choose a location trigger if it's place-based. Once done, mark priority and pick a tag or list. This organizes future searches and keeps your reminders actionable and visible. Now refine the reminder so it actually gets done. Add subtasks for multi-step items and attach photos, documents, or a voice memo to capture details. Use the repeat option for routines. Select daily, weekly, or create a custom interval like every 3 weeks. Link the reminder to a contact or set a location-based trigger to fire when arriving or leaving. Once complete, save and test a sample reminder so you understand how notifications look and behave. To finish, review notification settings so alerts are loud and visible. Go into settings if you don't hear or see them. Make sure syncing is enabled for your account or iCloud so lists appear on all devices, and verify time zone support for travel. If a reminder doesn't trigger, check Do Not Disturb and location permissions. Finally, edit entries to tweak timing, mark items complete as you finish them, and restore accidentally deleted reminders from recently deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.